We have today. Ooh, Tell everybody, look. Yay! Well done. Oh, look at this little one. Look at this little one. It's probably backwards for you guys, but it's a little and a big as well. So we have lots of different ways we can read the So we have all different examples and different letter shapes. So kids can try. Whoop, on the floor. On the floor.
Come on.
Come on. What do we have next? Do you want to cut?
Cut.
Cut it, cut. Oh. All right. Can you squish? Can you squish it? I'm gonna squish. Squish. Can you squish? Judah, squish. Squish, push. Push. Can you take it off? Can you take it off? Well done. Put here. Oh, you squished it again. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? Watch. Round the ball. I'm going to squish again. I'm going to squish one more time. Watch. Squeeze. No, don't cut it yet. I take the put on top, and then you squish. Squish. Whoa. And then we have a squished a squished one. Judah's gonna cut it in half. Got.
Mama.
One more. Okay, roll into a big ball. You roll.
One.
You squish. Almost. Good try. Well done. You want to cut it? Try this one. A little square. Very good. Try this one.
Daddy.
I'm going to try this one over here. You ready? I'm going to roll it. Roll into a ball. Wow. He said, look here. Look here. Look at this. Here's another cute little You say You say Judah, say You're busy, huh? Oh, well done. Good. Well done. You like cutting and slicing things, huh?
Boa.
Huh?
Boa.
Go on. It's here. It's here. Your Well, I'm going to let him do his squishing and cutting. So we have been looking at today, the big letter A and also the small letter A. So giving kids lots of different ways to see the sound is good for them to put it all together in their brain. Well done. So seeing different fonts, seeing different ways to write the capital letter and lowercase, as well as different styles. So different styles of font. As you can see, that's more of the typewriter style, which kids might see, for example, in a newspaper or a magazine or something like that. At least then they can put two and two together. This is and also this lowercase is the same sound. So it's good. Well done, dude. Well, he's having fun. That's the main thing.
Daddy.
See you guys. You say bye. Say bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. You say, I'm Judah.
I'm Judah.
I'm Mr. Jamie. Bye-bye.